was three boys, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who live in Babylon. The king Nebuchadnezzar build a big golden statue and tell everybody to bow down and worship it. But the three boys refuse, cause them only worship the true God. The king get wicked and hot. Him decide to throw them in the fiery furnace. The fire so hot that the soldiers who carry them go get burned up. But when them looking at the furnace, them see the three boys walking round unharmed, and a fourth person with them who look like a son of the gods. The king realize, say, God save them, and call them out, them come out. Not even a hair burn, and them clothes still fresh. The king praise the true God and say, anyone who speak bad about him will get punished bad. So Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego show everybody say faith in a God can save you, no matter how tough the situation. Hey!